Alright, what we got at the 2012 Eastern Traildigger. We got the 2012 Eastern Traildigger frame, stem, forks, seat, pedals, cranks, and rims. Those are all original Eastern parts. I got this Duro tire off eBay. 20 by 1.75, really thin. Get most of my parts from Dan's Comp. I like this Kendock tire. It's a lot bigger than the front tire. The KMC chain I got from All These BMX, which is on the other side of the bike, sticker for them. Then I have the Colt Rasta grips and Colt Rasta burns, stolen handlebars, and the bike weighs 19.5 pounds, very durable, got it from a local shop, I love it.